Hello my lovelies! Welcome back to another video. Today we're unboxing the new Travels Notebook pencil board and what's the other thing called? Clear folder. That's it. And the stickers. Every year I get this, which is the clear folder and the pencil boards, because it's just a tradition. Every year I'll just go get myself the pencil boards and the clear folders. And also lately I've been getting the stickers as well. I didn't used to get it, but I don't know, the stickers are really cute. Even though, when you tell me it's a little bit dear for 6 stickers, but all that I really want is really just the first bit of it. The whole other thing is just basically an upsell. So essentially it's like $20. Here in Australia it's $20 for just the front bit, because that's all I really like. But it included, I might use this one actually for next year, because it does have the tabs on the side, and I think that's gonna be quite useful. It's nice that they included 3 different colors for it. I might be able to use it on my mosseri next year, because I did plan to do something like this, because the monthly is actually baked into the, let me just show it to you so you can see it. It's just a little bit of a tangent, but the monthly on this one is baked into the weekly, so it's not in the front for everything. So I think it will be really useful if I use those stickers to just make sure that I know the month. So maybe if I use like the blue one, because this is all blue, does it match my, I guess I can either go with blue or the orange, or I really like the green as well. So one of it, this orange will fit as well, because like their highlight color is orange, so that works. Yeah, I can either do an orange or I can do a blue. But yeah, we shall see which one I'll pick. But I'm definitely going to use it this year. Mark my words, because I usually don't use this that much, because all I wanted is this. But anyway, so it comes with these, and it has all the travels, the memo, important stuff, and everything. And all this icon, really cute icon stickers as well, and these really fun circle stickers, which I don't use quite often, but they're actually quite cute for collaging, I think, even though the colors are a little bit more brighter than I usually use, even though these two might be able to work. I usually really love this because it has the foiling that I love. If you've been here a while, you know how much I love when Travels Notebook do foiling. Look how cute this is. I've never really thought that Travels Notebook would ever put faces on their TNs, because in my head it doesn't really suit the aesthetic for some reason. But he's cute. Look at him. Like, there's a bigger version, which is cheerful greetings. Well, it's not that much bigger actually. It felt a little bit bigger, but yeah, I just find it so cute. Use tools that you love. There you go. That's a reminder. Make everyday life an adventure with travel spirit. This one is really nice. Really love these. I really like this pockets, because you can use it for everything. And then this one, I'm pretty sure this is the rub-on stickers, so that's fun as well. Oh, I didn't realize they came with this. Usually, is it new? Does it always come with this? I don't know. So they tell you that this one is a dry transfer, and this one's an index sticker. Oh, interesting. They sized it so that you can, hang on. So which one's which? I feel like I'm just discovering this, even though I've used the Travels Notebook for a while, but I've never used to use this. So I'm like, so for passport stickers, 6 small stickers horizontally. I'm assuming small size this one, large size is this one. For regular size, you can use the 12 large stickers. So I think this one the large size will suit my mosseri cover. Oh, actually no, because these are okay, that might prove to be a little bit of a problem, because the mosseri is not really an A5 height. They're a little bit shorter than A5, which means this wouldn't fill in very nicely, like it wouldn't line up. I might have to overlap some of them. That feels like a lot of work, but you know what, we'll figure it out. I think what we'll do is we'll measure the whole thing, and then figure out how much this one is, and then we'll figure out the overlap. Hopefully it's not too bad, but we'll see. Or maybe I can just use the small one. The small one will fit, right? It should, but it's green, and this one fits the blue or the orange more. I don't know, we'll figure it out. I guess this is not that video, but basically that's that. And I just wanna look at this once again because I just find that it's so cute. My favorite is probably the Analog Lovers one, but I also really love this because it's a olive one, the Travel Spirit one. This one I really like as well, even though the color is not usually something that I go for. And this one is super cute as well. I really love the detailing of the rope. I don't know if you can see it properly, but like it's the foiling is like a rope. So I just find it so cute. This one is also very nice and it's very simple. So really like that sticker. So let me put it back in. Oh, I just realized why the stickers are blue and orange, because this is blue and orange, and then this has the green that they have for the small size of the tabs, which meant that it'll fit the passport size. So that's kind of clever. And these are the pencil boards. I really like this one. I think it's just so pretty, the color of it. I really love the pink and the olive. Just like the combination of it along with the foiling, the gold foiling is so nice. I really love this little combi van. And the Analog Lovers reminds me a lot of the stamp that we got from Travels Records, so that's really cool. And then this one is super cool as well. I'm not really big into this color combination right here. I'm not much of an orange person, but I just find it super cute, especially the little guy here. I really like this one, but I think this one is probably my favorite among the two. For the clear folder, why can't I still say that properly? Clear folder. I really love this kind of illustration. It reminds me like Tintin, you know, the old comic Tintin? Like that. It feels very Tintin to me. And I like it so much. I feel like, you know what? I usually like the pencil board much more than the clear folder, but I think this year I like the clear folder a little bit more. And especially look, the foiling for this one is on the green and on the blue, and I just find it so cool. I wonder if this is half transparent, because sometimes their clear folder have sections that are transparent. I don't think this one does. Yeah, it's not transparent. You know what would be cool if the windows are half transparent, so it feels like a window, but it's all one color. I think this one is the same. Everything's just one color. Actually, let me see that. Let me open it up just to make sure. But that's a little bit disappointing because the previous years they always have some kind of like window action, and I actually really like when they have window. No, this one doesn't have windows as well. It's just the white, like it's a little bit more transparent-ish, but there's no window action. So that's a little bit disappointing because I actually really like when they have the window action, because it felt like, you know, whatever you put in the inside, you can see a little bit more from the front. But it is what it is. I really like the illustration, so I'm not too sad about it. But yeah, this is so cute. I really like the book, and I love the sketchiness of this illustration and the little front of the shop. That is super cute. Analog music, paper books, local coffee, handmade crafts. I find that so cute. I love it. I love this one. Like out of these two, I love this one, the regular one, the most, because I feel like there's just so many things to look at, and the illustration style, I think I've already said, but the illustration style is so nice and cute. Look at that. I like it so much. And I like that they don't use like too much colors. It's just like half of the colors and then half is just black and white. It's just accent color. And the color that they use is kind of, when you see, it's kind of like similar to this ish. because like there's some a little bit of orange like these ones, even though it's more yellow. Even though, where's the blue? Oh, the blue is the sky. Then you get a little bit more green. Like if they use this color, I think that would make it even more cohesive. But yeah, I really love the illustration. It's so cute. So anyway, I think I'll leave you there. There's not a lot to this video because of what I'm showing you is basically just these 5 items. I've been quite good this year. I didn't get too much stuff from my haul. Basically, I joined my haul. That's why it doesn't have a package, because I joined my haul with one of my friend's staff. So yeah, shout out to Steph for getting me these from Bookbinders. But yeah, that's basically it for today. It'll be a short one because I only have these 5 things to blab about, and even that is already over 10 minutes. But if you're looking to get any of this, my favorite is these 2. So yeah, I hope you get a good look at them. And because I feel like sometimes this looks different from when you're actually looking at it in the internet, in the pictures, and in real life. So I'm hoping that you'll get a real life representation of it with this video. So yeah, let me know if you're getting any of this, which one's your favorite, if you get it every year like me or not. And yeah, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Stay safe, take care, and stay creative. See you later. Bye bye.